pwede ba mamaya na yan at pa-diffuse muna natin ang tension? Doon na lang sa 250th Airlift Wing. So, we acceded to that request. We arrived at the 250th Airlift Wing. They were given refreshments. They were allowed to refresh. They were allowed to, para generally pababain lang ang tension ng lahat. And then we, after an hour or two, we returned, and that was the video that you saw when I was reading the rights in the cell phone. It's basically, it's memorized already. So just a formality. And then they asked, at that juncture, they asked for the written, they want a printed copy. So I went out of the room, stepped out of the room, printed it, and gave it to them.
Okay, yung printed copy, may allegation na redacted copy daw to. Hindi daw kumpleto, hindi daw buo. Parang simplified lang or pinaiklian. Tama ba? O buong-buo?
Buong-buo yun, ma'am. It was...
ilang pahina?
15 pages.
Yung 15 pages na kumakalat ngayon?
Yes,
yun na yun?
Yes,
so yun din ang naibigay doon sa Villamor?
Yes, ma'am. That was properly received by Attorney Delgra in assigned
so,
receiving copy.
Delgra.
Yes, ma'am.
Pero nakita ko sa ating video na iba ang pangyayari tungkol sa abogado. Pwede bang panoorin natin?
Ngayon, kanina pa eh. Hindi naman lahat, ilan ang hinuli ngayong araw na ito, sir? Sa iba-ibang mga krimen. Ilan ang binigyan ng ganitong...
Kasi nandito kayo lahat eh. Nag-iisang tao.
Ilan ang binigyan ng ganitong...
Nag-iisang tao, dami krimen sa labas.
Nandito kayo namin.
Sir, hindi kami humingi ng pabor. Just invoke Article 59. Bakit hindi yan magawa-gawa?
Attorney, you will be
That's precisely the point that I'm saying.
Ano yung naman yan? Kung kayo mag-ano, kayo, please lang, bawal hawakan.
Attorney, you will be removed.
Bawal hawakan! Bawal hawakan. Tumayo ka na lang. Bawal
The right to
hawakan.
counsel is something that has to be observed and
Huwag
respected.
kayong umawak. Huwag kayong nakipakialam sa kanila. Kasi nga, nag-uusap mo ano yung lawyer.
Huwag na tayo.
Nag-uusap pa kami.
Huwag mo hawakan yung lawyer. Huwag mo hawakan.
Nag-uusap pa kami.
Huwag mo hawakan. Huwag mo hawakan. Huwag ba?
Nag-uusap pa kami.
Attorney, please.
Huwag mo hawakan.
Is this what you want? Is this what you want, Mr. President?
Huwag mo hawakan. Time lang eh. Time lang.
Kayo mga
Huwag mo hawakan yung nanay ko! Ang ina mo!
Kayo mga sundalo, tanungin ko kayo, anong kasalanan ko?
Okay, dito sa video nakikita na si General Torre hinihila yung abogado. Standard procedure po ba ito ng
Madam Chair?
PNP? Bakit mo kinakaladkad yung abogado? Hindi ba